If you've never designed or built before, where do you start? You call a designer, a builder, the council? If you're a homeowner and you're about to do an extension, renovation, or a new home, I'm pulling back the curtain on the steps that you need to take that will save you tens of thousands of dollars. Most people would assume you go straight to a designer, but you'd be dead wrong. I've met with so many people that have wasted time and money designing plans only to be bitterly disappointed after an arduous journey with their designer that by the time it's ready to start the project, they just want the whole thing over. In the report that I'm going to send to you, I'll outline and give you advice on the steps you need to take and what order you need to take those steps to get your project off to a great start without making these costly errors that so many people have made before you. You don't need to make these mistakes. Enter your details below and I'll send you a copy of my report on how to avoid these costly errors so that you can have a great, enjoyable journey designing and building your home.